So guys, in today's video I will show you step by step how you can fix not being able to connect to your Wi-Fi on your MetaQuest 3. Now first of all, once we load in, you then want to go over to your settings. So to find this, you can go to your profile down here, or you can also go to your library, and then you can then click on your settings. Now once we do this, you will then need to come over here. You then want to go down, select Wi-Fi, and as you can see here, if it is trying to connect to your Wi-Fi and it's not connecting and the internet won't work, what we can do is simply click on this here, and then you can go ahead and select forget. And then once we click on forget, you will then be able to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and then that should fix your problem. That's the solution that did work for me personally, and it worked a treat. So if we go back as well, what else we can do is go to previously connected networks. You can then go ahead, click on this again, and you can disconnect or forget this, and then you can then reconnect over to your Wi-Fi network. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix your MetaQuest 3 not connecting to the internet.